And very soft itong mga ito. So, di ba, mga maliliit na responsibilidad, like pag-ayos ng mga laruan, yan, di ba, yung mga pagtutupi ng mga damit, ayan, mga pwede natin ibigay na responsibilidad sa
Yeah, but there should be consequences for everything.
Like when you explode like that,
Yeah.
what does that do to him?
Finn, let's go. Quickly, come on, down. You know what? I need a minute from this. I can't.
What did I do?
Little man,
Hi.
how are you?
Okay.
You alright?
Yeah.
Stop beating your mom?
It's like I can't. My mom does really mean things. Like she puts hot sauce on my mouth.
Really?
Yeah.
Now she makes Finn a promise.
You're not gonna put it on your mouth while we're sitting there.
I'm pretty